Eric Underwood here, and today we are going to be installing rubber stair treads using WAKOL D3210 Kontakto. For this application, I'm using the 4-inch roller. Just want to make sure you load the roller really good and make sure you get good even transfer to the substrate and to the back of the floor covering. Make sure before you apply the adhesive onto the back of the floor covering, first wipe down really good with some denatured alcohol or some acetone to get all contaminants off. Once you've cleaned both the rubber stair tread and the cove base, then you want to apply a good even coat of adhesive onto the back of the tread and the base. Once you let dry to touch, about 20 to 30 minutes, then they're going to be ready for installation. First, you want to grab that cove base and carefully install it onto the riser using a rag just to get out all the air bubbles. Once you have your first piece of base installed, then you want to use our WAKOL Applicator 35 or our manual applicator using our V-tip and our Star Money MS246 and put a good solid bead of adhesive into the lip of that stair tread and carefully take that stair tread, install it into the adhesive using a roller, rolling in both directions, making sure you have good even transfer. Once you've done that, then you're going to keep repeating the same process until you get to the very top of the flight of the steps. And when you're done with the job, make sure you use WAKOL RT5960 cleaning towels to remove any adhesive left on the tread.